Good morning, students.
Good morning.
I guess it's good afternoon, students. Today we're going to start with a little activity. We're going to be looking right up here at each of the rows individually. And together as a class, we're going to figure out which word doesn't belong with the rest. So in the first row, we have happy, cheerful, and sad. By a raise of hands, who can tell me which one doesn't belong in this? Yes?
Sad.
Sad. Good. We're going to go ahead and cross that out. Because sad is when you're feeling down, and happy and cheerful is when you're really excited and smiley. Good job. And then we're going to look at the second row with dry, wet, and soaked. Can someone tell me which one does not belong? Yes?
Dry.
Dry. Good job. Because like right now, my clothes are dry, but if I was to wash them, they'd get wet, they'd be soaked. Good job. And then lastly, we're going to look at the third row. Tired, awake, and sleepy. Which one doesn't belong? Justine?
Awake.
Awake. Good job. If you're going to bed, you get tired and sleepy, you're not awake. So today we're going to be looking at the comparison of words, and words that are alike, like happy and cheerful, and words that are not alike, like happy and sad. And these are two really big words. They're called synonyms and antonyms. Can you guys say those big words? Synonyms and antonyms. Good job. And so on your worksheets, it says define synonyms. And right here we have the definition. So if you could go ahead and write it. Synonyms are two words that have the same meaning. Synonyms are two words that have the same meaning. And a way that I like to think about this is synonyms are same or similar words. You guys can say that with me. Synonyms are same or similar words. And then antonyms are two words that have opposite meanings. Antonyms are two words that have opposite meanings. And the way I like to think about this is antonyms. They ain't the same. So you guys do that too. Antonyms. They ain't the same. Good job. Does someone want to tell me what synonyms are? How do we remember synonyms? Anyone? Justine?
Same or similar?
Good job. And then how are we going to remember antonyms? Yes. They ain't the same. Good job. Okay, so I half found this song online, and it's called the Synonym and Antonym song, and it's pretty long, so you can go ahead and pull up the lyrics, and I'm going to sing it first, and I'm going to have some hand motions, so while you're looking at all the lyrics, also make sure you're watching me for the hand motions, and then you guys are going to get to do it with me, and it's going to be really great. So just listen and watch me. And so now, you guys can all get on your feet. We're going to stand up. And you can have the lyrics in front of you because there's a lot of words. And we're going to sing it all together with all the hand motions that I did. Synonyms are the same. Synonyms are the same. Come, let's play a matching game. Sing two words that are the same. When I'm happy, I am glad. When I'm naughty, I am bad. If it's large, it's also big. A hog is also called a pig. See me hurry, see me rush. To be quiet means to hush. If I want, I also wish. A plastic bowl is still a dish. Antonyms are opposite. Antonyms are opposite. Come, let's play a matching game. Sing two words that aren't the same. If I'm cold, I am not hot. Opposite of go is to stop. When I'm quiet, I'm not loud. If I'm ashamed, I am not proud. I am big, I am not little. I am firm, I am not brittle. My clothes are dry, they are not wet. I am blonde, I'm not brunette. Synonyms are the same. Antonyms are opposite. At last our matching game is done. Now we know more and have fun. Good job. You guys can sit down. And so this song has lots of synonyms and antonyms in it. Can anyone point out two synonyms in the song? Second? rush and hurry. Good, because if you're in a rush, you're also hurrying if you're late for something. That's a good one. Can anyone point out another synonym? Yes?
Happy and glad.
Happy and glad. Good job. And then we had cheerful up here too, so those are all synonyms of each other. Now can someone point out an antonym? Yes.
Cold and hot.
Cold and hot. Good job. So if you're really cold, you're going to put more clothes on. If you're hot, you're going to wear shorts and a tank top. Good job. Okay, so now, on the bottom of our sheet, we all have something that looks like this. And so as a class, we're going to fill it out together. Can someone remind me of how we remember synonyms?
Similar.
Similar. Good. They're similar verbs, or similar words. And how do we remember antonyms? Ain't the same. Good job. So we're going to look at the word cold. Can someone raise their hand and tell me a synonym for cold? You might look at your song. Justine?
Freezing.
Freezing. That's a good one. So you guys can all fill it out. Well, I fill it out up here. And then can someone think of an antonym for cold?
Hot.
Hot. Good job. That one was in the song, right? All right, now we're going to move on to big. What is a synonym or a similar word for big? Yes.
Large.
Large. Good. And then what is ain't the same word for big? Yeah.
Little.
Little. Like that was in our song also. And then what is a similar word for quiet? Shh. That can be one. A lot extra shh. Do I say that to you guys sometimes? Only a little bit. Okay, what is an opposite word of quiet?
Loud.
Loud.
Loud. Good job. You guys aren't loud.
No.
You're good students. Okay, so now everyone needs to turn their songs over so they can't see them. And you're gonna take out your synonym and antonym cards. And I'm gonna say 2 words, and you're gonna hold up if it's a synonym or an antonym. Okay? Want and wish. Are those synonyms or antonyms? Good job, good job, good job, good job.